For this exercise, we're going to do another grounding visualization, similar to the video that I made of the grounding tree, but instead of a tree, this time we're going to use the image of a mountain. So to start, take a comfortable seat, sitting up tall and dignified with your feet flat on the floor, and start to notice your breathing. Just notice how it feels to inhale and exhale without trying to change it. Just feeling what it's like to breathe in and out today in this moment. And now bring to mind the image of a beautiful, tall mountain. And this can be a mountain that you've seen or visited, or it can just be purely in your imagination. But in your mind's eye, picture this mountain and notice its qualities. What is its shape? How tall is it? Is it covered in trees or snow? Is it bare? Just sitting here breathing and looking at this mountain. And also start to notice its other qualities, like its rootedness, stability, or any other things that you notice about it. And now start to imagine pulling this mountain into yourself so that you and the mountain become one. And you feel yourself rooted together with this mountain. And your feet become the rooted base. Your torso and arms become the sides of the mountain, and your head becomes the peak. Take a breath, fully inhaling and exhaling as you imagine this mountain inside yourself. And now start to observe the weather changing throughout the seasons. As the winter comes and the mountain is covered in snow, and in spring covered in flowers, in summer bare and hot and sunny, and then in the fall with all the leaves changing as clouds move in and out, storms come and go, the mountain just sits. It is stable and grounded, regardless of the weather changing, the leaves changing, people coming to visit and leaving. And take a breath and notice if you can pull any of those qualities into your own being. Feeling stable and rooted as people come and go, as storms move through, as stressful events happen, and then happy events happen. There is a core part of you that remains still and grounded and secure. Take a breath sitting in that stillness and security and groundedness. And when you're ready, you can release that image of the mountain inside you and pull it away so that you are looking at it from afar again. Now bring your attention back to yourself, sitting here, breathing, and noticing if anything feels different from how it did at the beginning of the exercise. If your breath or body feel different, or if they feel the same. There's no right answer, just noticing how it feels. And then when you're ready, you can come back to the room, open your eyes if they've been closed. So this exercise can be good for when you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, or just feeling like you need something to kind of ground you a little bit. So try it on your own. It can be as short or as long as you like, and I hope it's helpful. Thank you for practicing with me today. Take care.